Hello guys and welcome back. So from this video onwards we are going to start the Python section of our course. I know it's been a while since I have uploaded my last video because I was busy with some Instagram stuff. I'm going to tell you at the end of this video. So watch the full video and at the end there is an announcement. So without wasting much time, let us get started. So what we are going to see here is how you can print a simple statement in Python. So without wasting much time, let us get started. So here I am with my text editor. You can use any text editor, or as of now, so far we are discussing about the basics, so you can use any command line tool of your choice. And if you want that I make a separate video on installation and different text editors, so write down in the comment section and I'm definitely going to make a separate video on that. So for now let me make a new file and let us just name it as, you can say Python, or you can say hello world, hello.py. so don't forget this .py because it is an extension for the Python file. So how you can print a statement is by simply writing the print. So you can see that the text is highlighted as it is a predefined keyword for Python. So what you have to do is if you have to just write anything, you can say welcome to we can say Python programming. So we have written a simple statement. So now when okay, so how we can compile this? So you just have to go to the tools and you have to go to build system and you have to select your environment. So I have selected it is Python. So now what you have to do is you just have to press Control B on Windows and Command B on Mac. So you can see that we have successfully printed a statement in Python. So it is that simple. But now what if we have a statement something like let's get started. Okay, so you can see that there is somewhat difference in the text highlighting. So let me just build this. So you see that there is an error. So we are going to see that in a bit that what this error is, and Python is very uh, easy to decode. So how you can just debug your error? So what you have to do is just Python just highlights the line where it finds the first occurrence of the error. So what it says is hello.py line number 1. So it sees something that it cannot understand, the Python compiler doesn't understand, or you can say the interpreter. So it is present at the line 1. So what it says is the invalid syntax. So what occurs here is the Python compiler gets confused between which single quotation is for the statement and which is for the word. So what you can do is whenever there is a single quotation or quotation inside a statement, you can just wrap that entire statement inside of the double quotes, and you can see that now when we are going to build the system that there is no error. So whenever there is a quotation inside of a statement, you can use the single quotes or double quotes, vice versa. So if there is a single quote inside of a statement, then you have to wrap up inside the double quotes, and if there are double quotes, then you can wrap it up around the single quotes. So this is how you can print a simple statement. Also, if we don't want to hard code the statement, then what we can do is we can define a variable. In the next video we are going to see what are the variables in Python, but for now we are just going to simply define a variable called name, and we can just say here Python. So what you have to do is you just now have to write the variable name here, and without using the quotes you can just simply write print and the name of variable, and you have to build the system. So you can see that we have our output here. So The main advantage of using a variable instead of a hard coded statement is if we want to change something in the statement, then we don't have to change the entire statement, or you have we can say we don't have to change at all the different places. We just have to change at a particular point where we have defined that variable, and it is going to change at all the places. So that's all for the print statement, and in the next lecture we are going to see the variables. And now this is the time for the announcement. So I, along with my team, we have made a separate Instagram page which is named similar High on Code. So the main content of that page is quite different from what we actually show on YouTube, but it is related to computer science only. So I'm going to provide a link down in the description, so don't forget to check out that page. And if you really like the page, then you can just give us a follow, and if you have any suggestions, then do write in the comment section. And till then, thank you.